open the beer first? Okay. Okay.
Really? She's off. She's already starting. Jay here, Wood Pigeon Outdoors. Great to see you all again. Part 2 is February, the 12 by 12 challenge, which last year was cut short due to 2020. We are staying in a Prospectors tent, the old school frontiers style tent. Bunks over there, kitchen over there, fire going, food on the go. We got snow melting, it's winter, and going to be minus 20-ish. We're still kind of tired. We didn't bring any sleighs or anything like that. All our gear into our backpacks and hiked it in. Other than that, it's going to be an easy night. Yeah?
Oh, okay. So tonight we have gumbo. Usually in the summer we dehydrated our food. It's easier to keep them like in a good condition. But we go winter camping. We use frozen food. We cook at home. We froze a pot and we bring the frozen food. It's because it's so cold. We go above zero, so keep frost all the time. So we just have to reheat air. That's what it looks like.
So guys, just having a coffee. I'm going to give you a quick little thrifty camp trick. You use sugar in your coffees. You go through drive-through when you get your coffee. Also ask for a few sugars on the side. You get little sugar packs for your coffee when you're out in the bush. Easy peasy. Pack it in, pack it out. Right go. Hey guys, good morning. We are the next day. We got some snow melting. Fire. Look at that fire. Got that going. Off. Going to the washroom. We're getting coffee ready. We might go for a hike later. Fantastic trees out there. Here, I'll show you. How do I flip this around? So as you see, there's some fantastic trees out there. I'm thinking I want to make a slingshot. Quaker Oats. I personally like apple cinnamon. Have some coffee. This was given to us by a subscriber. Go from there. And here she comes with some snow. This may look like a lot of snow. You would think would make a lot of water. 2-quart pot plus water up to about there. Now cut here, cut here. That'll work. Hey guys, sorry I couldn't get any more of the video out just due to the fact it is February. It did get really cold and the camera gears just wasn't working. That's what happens when you try to film overnighters in winter, unfortunately, but that is 12 by 12 challenge for February. Until next time, stay safe out there. Cheers.